Today we are making green chili pickle which goes well with rice and roti with bhakri. Very easy to make and it lasts longer and tasty also. So for this make sure all the ingredients, all the containers are dry so the pickle lasts for a long time. I have washed green chilies with water and dried it under the shade very nicely. Remove the stalks and chop them with scissors. You can use knife also. If your hands are sensitive, make sure you use gloves because you can feel the burning sensation. So now chop them according to the spiciness. I chop them. So now dry ingredients: mustard, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and fennel seeds. Ingredients are in the description. Dry roast them. We don't want to roast them too much. Only for 1 to 2 minutes until all the water content is removed on a very low flame. Cool it down and then grind it in the mixie. Make a coarse powder. I like it coarse. I like the taste of that coarse powder. Add it to the green chilies. And we are going to add rest of the ingredients. Asafoetida, salt, turmeric, and I've taken mustard oil. I've taken raw mustard oil. It is spicy. If you want it less spicy, then heat the mustard oil until it smokes and then cool it down and add vinegar. You can also add lemon juice if you don't like the taste of vinegar. Like my mother never liked the taste of vinegar. So mix it very well and store it in an airtight container. You can keep it at room temperature, but if you want to keep it in the refrigerator, then make sure it is outside at room temperature for 2 to 3 days so that it marinates very well. And now it's liquidy, but the green chilies will soak all the masalas and it will become little bit dry version after a few days. So store it in an airtight container and enjoy this with your favorite meal. And do post in comments if you have any questions. Thank you and have a very blessed day.